In this video, I'll show you how to delete all of your messages on Facebook Messenger at once. This is perfect if you want to clear your inbox quickly and efficiently. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this one. Now, to get started, this method only works on a PC or laptop, so make sure you are using a computer. Open your preferred web browser. Chrome, Brave, or any Chromium-based browser works best for this process. Once your browser is open, go to facebook.com/messages and hit enter. If you aren't already logged in, log in with your Facebook credentials. Once your Messenger page loads, take a look at the top right corner of your browser. Here, we will install a browser extension to help delete all messages at once. Click on the 3 horizontal lines or dots, depending on your browser, and navigate to extensions. From there, click on Visit Web Store. In the search bar of the web store, type Delete Facebook Messages and hit enter. Look for the first result in the search results. It should be the correct extension. Click on it and then press Add to Browser or Add Extension. Depending on your browser, wait for the extension to finish installing. You'll see a notification when it's ready to use. Once installed, go back to your Messenger page. Open the Extensions Manager, locate the Delete Facebook Messages extension and click on it. Now click Begin Deletion. The extension will give you some instructions. First, make sure your Facebook language is set to English and then open any conversation on your Messenger page. This ensures that the deletion process works properly. After following these instructions, go back to the extension, click Delete, and let it do its work. Depending on the number of messages in your account, this may take a few minutes. Once the process is complete, all of your messages will be deleted, giving you a completely clean inbox. And that's it. This method is simple, fast, and effective for deleting all your Messenger messages at once. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share it with a friend who might need it, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and enjoy your fresh, empty inbox. Happy messaging.